Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. Best Solar Air Conditioner Reviews. Improve efficiency with the ultimate solar air conditioner by placing panels in full sunlight and keeping batteries fully charged. Use smart control to monitor energy usage and adjust cooling modes. Clean filters regularly, ensure proper ventilation, and combine with insulation for maximum on/off-grid energy savings. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.